Watch this video as I share some productivity hacks for beauty entrepreneurs. For business, inspiration, beauty, life, and enjoyment, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified when I post a new video every Wednesday. I'm Elizabeth Jennings and I am a successful beauty business entrepreneur, but my title is the Minister of Beauty and I share the Bible with you, and that's business, inspiration, beauty, life, and enjoyment. And becoming a successful beauty business entrepreneur definitely didn't happen by chance or circumstance. Definitely some prayers, but also a lot of hard work, because faith without works truly is dead. So productivity is key, and productivity has a lot to do with systems. Systems can change your life for the better, and lack of systems can also leave your life to ruin. But one thing I've learned over the years is DIY. And my DIY stands for delegate it yourself. Listen, if you're truly successful, you cannot do it all on your own. You just can't. And if you've started doing it and you've become successful, it won't be sustainable if you continue to try to do everything yourself. So create a list of all the things that you have to do in your business. Then you're going to decide which items only you can do and the others that are not really necessary for you to be hands-on with yourself. And those are the things you're going to delegate to someone else. You may not even be able to afford assistance in the beginning, and that's okay. You may be able to get a family member or possibly even an intern who needs some hours to help you out with some things in your business. Or maybe even a friend who is willing to volunteer a few hours into your business, into your vision, and into your future. Because really, this is all for a greater purpose, not so you can just sit and watch The Real Housewives. So let me know in the comment section, what are you doing in your life that is overwhelming you and you may need to delegate that to someone else? Let me know in the comment section. I have the assistance of a few great virtual assistants and a few staff members as well. So yes, it comes at a price, but it is totally worth it, and it makes my life a whole lot more simpler and smoother. And I can't tell you how worth it that really is. I'll have a link to the companies that I use in the description box below. Anytime you have a new duty or task that comes up in your business, you're going to add it to this list. So this is going to be your master list of duties. The next productivity hack is you're going to plan. Plan your day, plan your week, plan your months, and plan your year. Yes, of course, plans change because that's life. Life happens, things happen. But if you have a plan for your life and your days and your weeks and your months and your year, then you're telling your life what is going to happen, not allowing your life to tell you what is going to happen. And your days are not just passing you by. I love using Trello. It's an amazing app, and I use it for my businesses and I use it for my personal life as well. And I'll have a link to that in the description box below. I've been using it for several years now, and I really do love it. You can use any project management software, but I highly recommend this one, and I do use the free version. There are a lot of companies out there that have amazing products. Some are free and some are paid versions, but this is just what I use, and I love it because I have access to it on my phone and on the computer. On this board, I plan my meals, I plan my vacations. You can plan date nights or hanging out with the friends and, different things like that. This is what I use my project management board for life and for business. When you pre-plan, you prepare, and you can always edit as you go along. Now, this should have been first on the list, but productivity is advanced in my life when I am making time for me. So the me time consists of workout time, indulgence time, and prayer time, or WIP. This may not be in order of importance, but WIP, or working out, indulgence time, and prayer time really is essential for myself. So this is what helps me to be productive in my life. So plan your time for working out and have your workout clothing prepared. If you're going to go to the gym, you can have all of the workout clothing that you're going to wear for the week in your gym bag, in your car. So that's already there, it's already ready. For me, I work out at home, so I have my clothing prepared for the week. So when I wake up, I just get up, put on my workout clothes, work my butt out, and then I can hop in the shower. And then I get all refreshed And then I go in my closet, and that is my prayer time. That's my time for meditating and praying and releasing all of the tensions and all of the stresses to God, who I believe is the greater one than I am, and releasing all of the tension and getting my spirit built back up for the day. Then planned indulgences. Indulgences may be different things for different people. For me, indulgences are spa days and, getting that time to just go to the spa and allow myself to be pampered and taken care of by somebody else, because I'm constantly taking care of my clients and my staff is taking care of our clients for the business on a very frequent basis. So we have to be able to have someone else take care of us so that we can pour into other people. It may consist of a movie or a quick getaway or an amazing bottle of wine, never finishing an entire body myself because I am truly a lightweight, or whatever those things are that bring me joy. And those are the things that I can't indulge in on a regular basis. As a beauty business entrepreneur, you have to continually think business and not just beauty services. A great productivity hack for me is to get out of my regular environment at least twice a month so that I can go and just zoom, just tune the world out for a little bit and just meditate and allow my creative juices to begin to flow and make plans for implementing. Even if it's just going to your local library with your laptop and getting in a quiet corner, and just allowing the quietness and the peace that's surrounding you to allow your mind to be able to flow, because you don't have the noise or you don't have the regular environment of your home or your business constantly in your brain. Because when you're in these regular places, your mind is constantly thinking about what I'm supposed to be doing next, what I'm supposed to handle over here. I need to go in this room and take care of this. And all of these different things are just flowing rapidly in your mind. But getting away and allowing the creativity that will flow through you, through the peace and the stillness from being out of your regular environment, and you can just put those ideas on paper or on your laptop or on your tablet, is really essential. Another productivity hack is being intentional about being motivated. Listening to something on a regular basis that's going to help to motivate you and inspire you is also going to help to build your productivity, and that definitely is a huge productivity hack for me. Listening to inspirational and motivational things on a very frequent basis, sometimes several times a day. I even got so inspired that I created my own podcast, the Being Beautifully Honest podcast, and you can listen to it. It's on iTunes, Google Play, the Stitcher app. I'll have a link to those in the description box below so that you can check it out. Hopefully subscribe and listen on a regular basis. So thanks so much for listening to my productivity hacks for beauty entrepreneurs. But honestly, this can be for anyone who is an entrepreneur, even if you're not in the beauty industry. It's just that I am, and that tends to be who I speak to on a more frequent basis. But I've been an entrepreneur since 2006, and I've learned so much during my years since that time. So business really is business. So let's be productive and go get it. So let me know if you have any questions in the description box below, and also let me know how you stay productive. Let me know what some of your productivity hacks are. I'm definitely interested to hear them, and I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you on the next video.
Thank you for liking this video, subscribing, and commenting below with a thumbs up if this video helped you. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comments for me. I look forward to answering them for you. And until next time, I hope you have an amazingly blessed and beautiful day.